So this is a question which has been extracted from 2021 GCE paper 2, that is question 8.3. This question is under integral calculus. So the question reads, find the equation of the curve for which dy dx is 2x minus 3, where x is equal to y is equal to 3. See? So now the question says find the equation of the curve for which dy dx is equal to 2x minus 3, where x is equal to y is also equal to 3, right? So this question is supposed to solve it in this way. So dy dx, the way they have brought it, same as if they were to talk about gradient function. Sometimes they will mention the word gradient function. They will do this. They will mention the gradient is equal to 2x minus 3. Just know that, same as if they were to say the dy dx is equal to 2x minus 3. Same thing, right? So next time when they mention gradient under such a question, just know they mean dy dx, because dy dx is another way of saying gradient. So here we need to introduce, remember, they want us to find the equation of the curve. This equation of the curve has to look like, for example, it's supposed to look like maybe y is equal to x squared minus x plus 2, right? Or maybe anything of this format with a 2 here that we call a constant. You see, anything of this format. For example, y is equal to x squared minus x plus 2 with a 2 which is a constant being represented by c. So we need to get such an equation. So they are saying find the equation of the curve, right? So let's see. So what you're supposed to do is to introduce, let me rewrite this. Once they bring such, you introduce the integral symbol both sides. It means it is going to be with respect to x like this, right? Remember under the previous video where we had the indefinite integral in this way. So when you integrate dy dx, what remains is y. Have you seen? What should remain is a y, right? Remember, like what we said, it has to be in such a format, something like this, which starts with y is equal to with a constant, right? With a constant. So now we have remained with this one with respect to x. Okay. So next we need to, like I said earlier, when you are integrating, even differentiating, make sure you show the powers, and also where there is no letter x or variable x, you should show it and put power 0. When we write like this, we haven't changed anything, because we know x to the power 1 same as x to the power 0, it is 1. 1 times 3 will go back to that number. As you can see, the powers must be descending, 1 0, right? From there we need to integrate. 2, always we add 1 plus 1 over the same 1 plus 1. That's what we do under integration. And here we add also over the same. plus c. Remember, under indefinite integral we use plus c. This is why our target, we need to find this c. The c must be known, the constant must be known. The equation must be in this format. Let's see. So now you have y is equal to 2, 1 plus 1 is a 2 over the same 2 minus 0 plus 1 is 1 over 1 plus c, right? So now try to reduce some numbers if it is possible. So you can see a 2 and a 2. There you go, right? So it means we have remained with y is equal to x squared minus, we know 3x to the power 1, same as 3x. 1 into that, 1 into anything is that thing, right? So 1 into 3x is 3x plus c. Now we need to know this c. This c must be known. Remember, we need to get such a an equation, such a curve, right? Equation of the curve. You see? So it's a c which is remaining. We are interested in this c. We want to know this c. Our main focus is to know this c, this constant. In this case, it was a 2. What about here? What about here, the c? So remember that when you read the question here, they are saying this dy dx, it is where we have x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 3. When they write x is equal to y is equal to 3, it means the x value and the y values, say 3, also a 3, right? Meaning 3, 3. That's what it means. It means 3, 3. So now, for us to know the value of the constant, we're going to replace, remember, we have the x variable here. We need to replace with the x variable, which is 3. 3 from where? 3 from here. This 3 is for x. So we replace. Where there's x, we put 3. Where there's x, we put 3 plus c. So y is equal to 3 squared. It means 3 times 3, which is 9. Negative 3 times 3, that is, oh sorry, we didn't replace here. Where there is y, remember, there is x and y. So x, where there's x, put 3. Where there's y, put 3 as well. So here we're supposed to replace with a 3 as well. See, even here there must be a 3. So 3 squared is 9. 3 times 3, that is 9 plus c, right? Plus c. So now we know that 9 minus 9 is 0, so don't write it. It won't make any impact. So it means 3 is equal to c. So the constant c has been known. The constant c is known. We'll easily replace here as your equation according to the question. So you write, therefore, right? Therefore, just get this. Therefore, the equation of the curve will be y is equal to x squared minus 3x. Do we know a c? Yes. Was it positive or negative? It was positive. So you write plus 3. This is the equation of the curve.